much should you actually spend on dog food for sensitive stomachs? Some folks go for the cheap options, while others swear by the pricier brands. It's a bit confusing, right? But today, we're breaking down which dog foods are truly worth your money.
Product number 1, Hill's Science Diet Turkey and Rice Stew. First up is Hill's Science Diet Sensitive Stomach and Skin Adult Turkey and Rice Stew. The moment you see this product, you can tell it's designed with sensitive pups in mind. At first glance, the turkey and rice combo caught my attention, and with over 9,000 sold recently, it's clearly making waves. If you want a wet food that specifically targets stomach and skin sensitivities, this is worth a serious look. So, what makes this stew special? Well, it boasts highly digestible ingredients, which means your dog's tummy won't be upset after every meal. Plus, it has prebiotic fiber that fuels beneficial gut bacteria, important for maintaining a balanced microbiome. The inclusion of omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E is also a big plus, promoting a shiny, healthy coat. And let's be real, who doesn't want their dog looking good? This product comes highly recommended by veterinarians, which is comforting when you're looking for something reliable. Now, some users have mentioned that their dogs were a bit hesitant to eat it at first. Here's the thing though, transitioning to a new food can be tricky, especially for picky eaters. If your dog is already accustomed to wet food, this might just be the perfect fit for them. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a wet food option that's specifically formulated for sensitive stomachs. But skip this one if you prefer dry food, as it's definitely on the wet side. It's a good value for what you get, especially with the health benefits it brings. Now, if the wet food aspect doesn't fit your needs, the next product brings a different approach with a dry food option.
Product number 2, Hill's Science Diet Chicken Recipe Small and Mini. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is Hill's Science Diet Adult Sensitive Stomach and Skin Small and Mini Breeds Dry Dog Food Chicken Recipe. The first thing that stands out is the updated formula specifically designed for small and mini breeds. If you own a tiny dog that struggles with tummy troubles, this is definitely worth considering. This dry food features highly digestible ingredients, just like the wet version, but in a convenient dry format. The chicken as the first ingredient is crucial. It provides the protein needed for muscle maintenance while being gentle on sensitive stomachs. It also has prebiotic fiber to support gut health, which is a big deal for any pup with a sensitive system. With positive feedback from thousands of users, it's clear many small dog owners trust this product. However, some customers did report that the kibble pieces were a bit small for larger dogs, but let's be honest, this isn't aimed at big breeds, so it's not really a deal breaker. If you have a small dog, they'll likely enjoy it without a hitch. This is perfect for you if you have a small dog with stomach issues and want a dry food option. But skip this one if you have a larger breed, as it's tailored specifically for small and mini dogs. The price point is fair considering the quality and benefits. Now, if you're looking for something that provides even more protein, let's check out the next one.
Product number 3, Wag Lamb and Brown Rice. Next up is the Amazon brand Wag Adult Premium Nutrition Dry Dog Food with lamb and brown rice. What caught my eye here is the real meat-first formula. Lamb is the #1 ingredient. If your dog prefers a protein source that's not chicken or beef, this is worth a look. This food is crafted without any added byproduct meals, corn, wheat, or soy, making it a cleaner choice for pups with sensitive stomachs. The inclusion of probiotics and fiber supports healthy digestion, which is crucial for those upset tummies. Plus, it comes in a hefty 30-pound bag, so you won't be running out anytime soon. It's also been developed with the help of veterinarians, so you know there's some solid science backing it. One downside some users mentioned is the adjustment period. Transitioning can sometimes lead to upset stomachs if not done gradually. Here's the thing though, that's pretty normal when changing foods. Just follow the recommended guidelines for transitioning and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-protein dry food option that's gentle on the stomach. But skip this one if your dog is super picky about lamb, as that's the primary flavor. If you're looking for value, this one definitely delivers.
Now, if you're after something in a smaller package but still great for sensitive stomachs, the next product might just be the one for you.
Product number 4, Authority Chicken and Rice. All right, let's take a look at Authority Adult Sensitive Stomach and Skin Chicken and Rice Dry Dog Food. This one comes in a convenient 6-pound resealable bag, which is perfect if you want to try something smaller before committing to a larger size. The chicken and rice formula is simple yet effective, and it's specifically designed for adult dogs. This product is made with chicken as the first ingredient, so your dog gets a great source of protein without the fluff. It's free from artificial colors, preservatives, and flavors, so you'll feel good about what you're feeding your pup. The bag is also resealable, making it easy to store and keep fresh, which I genuinely appreciate when I buy dog food. However, some customers have noted that their dogs didn't seem as enthusiastic about the flavor compared to other brands. But here's the thing. Every dog has different taste preferences. If your dog generally enjoys chicken, they might still love this one. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a smaller bag to see if it works for your dog's sensitive stomach. But skip this one if your dog strictly prefers wet food, as it's a dry option. For the price and quality, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for a more premium dry food experience, the last product on our list is an excellent option.
Product number 5, Hill's Science Diet Salmon Recipe. Finally, we have Hill's Science Diet Adult Sensitive Stomach and Skin Dry Dog Food, Salmon Recipe. This one's another great choice from Hill's, and the salmon flavor adds variety if your dog is tired of chicken or beef. It's designed to be gentle on sensitive stomachs, which is super important. The highly digestible formula features beet pulp, which is a nourishing prebiotic fiber that supports digestion. It also contains vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids, perfect for keeping your dog's skin and coat healthy. And like the others from Hill's, it's made with natural ingredients in the USA, which many dog owners appreciate. Some users reported that their dogs had a preference for other flavors over SAN, which can happen. But honestly, if your dog is a seafood fan, they might just love this option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a premium salmon-based dry food that supports sensitive stomachs. But skip this one if your dog is strictly a meat and potatoes kind of pup. It's worth the investment if you're focused on quality. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 solid options for dog foods catering to sensitive stomachs. Hill's Science Diet Turkey and Rice Stew, Hill's Science Diet Chicken Recipe for small breeds, Wag's Lamb and Brown Rice, Authority's Chicken and Rice, and finally, Hill's Science Diet Salmon Recipe. Each has its unique benefits, whether it's wet or dry, protein sources, or specific breed considerations. Choose what fits your dog's needs best.